Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out the Tarte Maneater Plumping Gloss. And this is a product I got in my October 2021 Boxycharm Premium box. And I think that was a pretty awesome box. So if you have not seen my unboxing video of that yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But I was so excited to get a Tarte product because I love the brand Tarte, and a plumping gloss because I love trying out plumping lip glosses. I have very small lips and I don't want to get lip filler, so I always try and find ways to make it look like my lips are bigger. And plumping glosses can really do that, and this says that it actually does plump the lips. I got this in the shade Buff. I saw that it comes in a few other shades, but they're all very similar to this light pinky peachy tone. You can get it at Ulta. It retails for $19. I'm a little nervous because it doesn't have the best ratings, but it has benzyl nicotinate to help plump the appearance of lips and lactic acid to smooth appearance, which I really want both of those qualities in this lip gloss. It's also vegan and cruelty free. My lips right now actually look kind of awful. They look so chapped, dry. They need some color to them. So let's hope it's this product to the rescue. All right, cute packaging. The Maneater, like leopard print. And ooh, a huge applicator. I don't get any smell to this, and that's fine. You know, before I apply it to my lips, I want to do a swatch to see what this color looks like. Ooh, pretty. That actually has some good pigment to it and great shine and such a pretty shade. All right, I'm so excited to see how this is going to be on my lips. Oh my gosh, that color is so pretty. It definitely adds good color to the lips. It's a noticeable difference, but it's just like that perfect shade for any time. But wow, this is definitely a thick formula and definitely sticky. I only applied a little bit and it feels kind of like heavy on my lips. But gosh, it looks beautiful. My lips are already completely hydrated and smoothed out. Wow. I love how actually effective this is. And it's not hurting at all. I'm getting a little bit of a cooling feeling, but oh my goodness. I am loving this. It just transformed my lips. And everything I was complaining about my lips beforehand is gone, improved. It's like the opposite now. My lips are now smooth, hydrated, a perfect even color. And I feel like maybe after like, what was that, maybe like 30 seconds, I think it's like actually working to make my lips a little bigger. I don't even really need to apply more, but because of the color, I just want to go ahead and layer it up a little bit. I mean, it's got great pigment to it. You really don't even need to add any more to get that full color. I think I'm getting a little bit more of like the tingling feeling now, but like I want that from my plumping lip glosses. I want it to actually do something, and I feel like it's been so long since I've found a plumping lip gloss that actually does plump the lips and smooth them out. And oh my gosh, I'm so impressed by this. Like, I mean, my top lip, it's still like small, but it is definitely bigger than it was before. And I love how this color looks, the shine, it's just so enhancing to the lips. Like, I feel like my lips look truly exactly like the lips on the packaging. Oh my gosh, I just am so impressed by this, because with plumping lip glosses, I've come to kind of not expect to actually really see much of a difference, but this is really wowing me with how effective it is. It's seriously what I look for in a plumping lip gloss, and it's $19, but that's probably worth it to me. Like, this would be my daily lip gloss because this is how I want my lips to look all the time, and a product that I would continue to repurchase because I really love it and I have such a hard time finding products like this. But please let me know in the comments down below if you do have any favorite plumping lip glosses. Another one that comes to mind that actually really works and is similar to this is the Grande Lips plumping lip glosses. I get that at Ulta and it is so good as well. And I know there's gotta be more out there, but I definitely want some recommendations and I definitely want to try out more on my channel soon. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.